Hey gamers, welcome to the ultimate guide on building a high-performance gaming PC in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a newbie, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the processor. For top-tier performance, look no further than the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D. It's got 16 cores and 32 threads, perfect for handling the latest games and multitasking like a pro. Next up, the graphics card. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 is the beast you need. With ray tracing and DLSS 3.0, you'll get stunning visuals and smooth frame rates. For memory, go with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz. This ensures your system can handle heavy workloads and future-proof your rig. Storage is crucial. An NVMe SSD, like the Samsung 990 Pro, with at least 2 TB capacity, will give you blazing fast load times and plenty of space. Now, for the motherboard, the Asus ROG Strix X670E is a solid choice. It's packed with features and supports PCIe 5.0 for the latest and greatest expansion cards. Power supply is next. A reliable 850W PSU from Corsair will keep your system running smoothly without any hitches. Don't forget cooling. A high-quality AIO liquid cooler will keep your CPU temperatures in check. The NZXT Kraken Z73 is a top pick for 2024. Finally, choose a case that suits your style and has good airflow. The Lian O11. Dynamic is both stylish and functional, and there you have it. A high-performance gaming PC to crush any game in 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming tips and builds. Happy building!